Kevin Graham, and I'm a professional bobsleigh pilot here at the fastest track in the world, the Whistler Sliding Center. I take members of the general public down the track in the back of my sled at speeds reaching almost 130 kilometers an hour. At those speeds, I can't afford to make mistakes. Being a professional bobsleigh pilot takes a lot of things. Incredible judgment of speed and distance. The hands of a surgeon. The eyes of an eagle. It takes pitch-perfect cowbells. But most of all, it takes fishermen's friends. I can't afford to be in a fog. Fisherman's friends, they're a defogger for your face.